Well, howdy ho, good neighbor. This morning I'm going to do a little short, a YouTube short, where you have 1 minute to make a video. So here it is. Catalytic converter stolen. So out of all these quiet cars, you can hear this guy. This is what a catalytic converter looks like when it's stolen. Oh, I've been there. You wake up in the morning and you start your car. Yep, that's the sound you hear. Okay, well, if you haven't had your catalytic converter stolen, that's what it sounds like. All right, you know the drill. Peace, love, and all that catalytic converter jazz. Bye-bye, everybody.